G'day, Peter here from Comfort Zone Insulation. I hope you enjoy our next video about insulation, and just remember, if you need a quote, click on the link and we're happy to help you out. This is a high-set home, and they've got the downstairs granny flat, and so just come in underneath the back of that granny flat, and this is where we're working here, and we're pumping cellulose fibre into underneath the floor section there, and so that's just for soundproofing, to stop the sound going into the through between the floors. And help reduce the walking noises and stop all of the high-pitched type noises. So that's the underfloor there. That's what it looks like before we pump it. And you can see there my hose, I just slide it all the way down the end there, and then I turn it on, and it's not on at the moment, and it fills that whole cavity up. There'll be about 300 millimeters here, and you can see there's an exhaust fan there. Right, and so we'll pump up to the exhaust fan on the other side, and then we'll give that a blow off before we're finished, and we'll pump on this side of it. And you can just see on this bay here, I've pumped that bay there, and there it is there, it's full of cellulose fibre there. So it's messy looking stuff when it looks like this, but actually it does a fantastic job. So, and you don't buy it for how it looks, you buy it for how it performs. So there we go. Okay, Peter here from Comfort Zone, and you can see here I'm just looking under a floor, and I've just pumped that bay with cellulose fibre. I haven't finished pumping all the way to the end, just so then you could see how deep that was in there. That's why floors cost a bit more, is because there's a good 6 to 8 inches of cellulose all the way through there at least. And this bay over here, so even though I wasn't pumping in this bay, it's blown over into this side. I'll just move the light over here so then you can see. See, so yeah, so see that there? So it's blown over into this side from the other side, and so we'll go along and pump all of this all the way through. Right. And that's what the bay looks like when it's empty, and that's pumping in underneath the floor for soundproofing. G'day Tracy, what's your thoughts on our job now that we've finished doing the soundproofing on the ceiling for you?
Oh well, with the little test we did earlier, where we went upstairs and made some noise to see the difference, I was quite impressed at just how much less noise was being penetrated down. So yes, I'm extremely happy. I feel the price is very reasonable, and I think Peter is very professional and has explained everything fully all the way through my consultation with him, so I'm very happy.
Okay, thank you very much for the recommendation.